Take a ride in the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500.
The Chevy Silverado 1500 is the perfect combination of functionality, reliability, and technology. The impressive interior is simply another reason that the Chevy Silverado is a top choice among truck buyers.
This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, remote engine start, stability control, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.